Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about baby sign. Well, not baby sign as much as sign language babies can use. Now, I want to start off by saying that this is not for everyone, and that's okay. This is not really also a problem solver either, as much as it is a helper strategy. It's going to promote communication and reduce your child's frustration. Well, actually, the frustration of both you and your child. All right, so let's get started. I'm excited. I got 24 signs for you. And here we go. All right, awesome. So let's get started. I have 24 signs for you guys, and I recommend that you do them with me. So I'm going to give you an opportunity to do them with me each sign. All right, let's get started. Number 1 is hungry or milk. Hungry. This is how we do hungry. Hand across the chest, kind of sliding down. And the next sign is milk. It's like we're grabbing the udder and pulling down. So we're squeezing and pulling. You try. Hungry. Milk. Right? Whichever one works better for your child, you can pick and choose, determining which one they want to use. Number 2 is thirsty. Thirsty. And that's you're taking your pointer finger and you're sliding it down your neck like this. Thirsty. Thirsty. You try. Thirsty. Thirsty. Pretty simple, right? They shouldn't have too much difficulty creating that sign. Number 3 is more. And we make it like this. We pinch both hands and put them together. More. Again, more. You try. More. Pretty simple, right? I've seen some approximations, and that's fine. Like I said before, I've seen fists together like this for more. I've seen children kind of put their just hands together. Whatever approximation works best for your child, as long as it's consistent, like I said before. That's what we want. Consistency is key, right? Number 4 is finish or all done. And we take both of our hands out like this and kind of sweep them out. Hands like this, sweep them out. I want you to try with me. Hands like this, sweep them out. Finish. All done. Once again, we're using the words. Inflections are helpful as well, to help the child understand, and to help the child kind of remember the sign and remember what they're supposed to be communicating. So them using verbal approximations for the words and them signing as well. Number 5 is sleepy or tired. Sleep. We're putting our hand over our face like this, closing our eyes and pulling away. That is sleepy or tired. Hand over our face, pulling away. I want you to try. Let's take our hand, cover our face, close our fingers, close our eyes, and pull away. Sleepy or tired, right? Whichever one works better for your child. And like I said, it doesn't have to be either of those words. If there's a specific word that you and your child use when they're tired or they're sleepy, that's fine too, as long as they say it and use the sign. Number 6 is play. Play, right? So we're taking both hands in like a shape of a Y. Our thumbs are out and our pinkies are out, and we're kind of shaking them back and forth, right? I want you to try it with me. Both hands out like this. Thumbs and pinkies are out, and we're shaking them back and forth. Probably your child's favorite word, right? 7 is bathroom or restroom. I liked it better than poop. And that sign is where you take your fist, you take your thumb and put it between your pointer and your middle finger like this, and you just slide your hands back and forth a little bit like that, right? So try it with me. Let's make this fist, put our thumb between our pointer finger and our middle finger, and slide it back and forth like that. And that really means restroom. But I liked it better. I think it's the easiest way for your child to show you than trying to use the bathroom. Like I said, I don't even want to show you what poop was. It was complicated and a little much. All right. Number 8 is book. Right? Book. We're just putting our hands together and opening it like we're opening a book. Right? Book. You want a bedtime story? Let's read a book. Right? Just like that. So you try it with me. Take these hands, put them together, open them like a book. 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 Good job. Number 9. It's a dual one. Number 9 is dual. It's yes and no. This is yes, and this is no. Yes, no. Right? I want you to try it with me. Yes, like we're knocking on the door. No, like a little alligator. Yes, no. Right? Also important signs. All right. Next we have number 10, and I think this is a very vital sign. Lay your hand out flat and give me a thumbs up with your next hand. Put that hand in your other hand and bring it towards you, right? So try it with me. Let's lay out our left hand together. Take our right hand and make a fist with our thumbs up. Place that right hand on that left hand and bring it towards yourself. Help. 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 Right? It's going to be important. Just like that. Real simple. Help. All right. Number 11 is bath or wash. Whichever one you want to use is the same sign for both. And you're just taking your fists and kind of like rubbing them across your chest in circles like you're washing or bathing yourself. Right? So I want you to try it with me. Let's take both of these fists together and make some circles on our chest like this, right? Good job. Good job. This is not the only part that we're washing, but you get the picture. Number 12 is share. Share, right? And that one, you lay your hand out like this and you sweep up towards the thumb and sweep back down. Try it with me. Hold our left hand out like this. Take our right hand and sweep it up towards our thumb and sweep it back down, right? You may want to teach your kids how to share first before you teach them this sign, but I'll leave that up to you. Once again, hand out, fingers up, back down, share, right? Number 13 is please, right? Please. So they take their hand, open palm, lay it across their chest like this and make circles. Please. Please. You try it. Hand out, across the chest, in circles. Please. Very important, right? Because they're not going to get anything from you if they just say to give it to them. So this is going to be an important one. Please. Make them use those manners, right? Number 14 is love you or I love you. I chose to use the approximation love you because it means the same thing and it's easier. So love you, you're crossing your hands across your chest like Wakanda and you're putting your fingers out. Love you. Just simple like that, right? You try it with me. Love you. Good job. One more time. Love you. Probably one of the most important ones, right? For them to be able to express themselves and communicate how they feel about you. Number 15, thank you. So we take our hand, we put it towards our chin, and we come out. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. I want you to try it with me now. Hand on your chin and coming out. Thank you. Thank you. Right? You want them to know their manners and have some manners, right? So thank you is very important, right? All right. So our next sign is number 16, and that is diaper. Or I'm using diaper as the same thing as change because it's easier for them, and it's already a part of a sign they already know, right? So diaper, you're kind of doing no on your hips like this. Now you try it with me, right? We take these little fingers, no, put this on both sides of our hip, and that's diaper or change, right? Just like that. One more time. Try it with me. Diaper or change, right? Pretty simple. Number 17 is hurt, right? Hurt. And that's both these pointer fingers pressed together. Hurt. All right, you try it with me. 2 fingers out, put them together. Hurt. And you're probably looking at my distressed face because the more sad or upset they look, the more they're hurt, right? They might be a little extra sometimes. Oh, hurt. It's just a simple little cut, but hurt. This is what you want to teach them. Both fingers pressed together. Hurt. Number 18, go. Once again, these pointer fingers again, and we're pushing outward. Go. Go. Right? So I want you to try it with me. Let's try. Pretty simple. Both fingers up. We're pushing out. Go. Mama, let's go. trying to get out of here. Let's go, right? I apologize in advance if they misuse that one. Number 19 is hey. Not to be confused with hi, but hey to get your attention, right? And that's the hand out and you're kind of like shaking a little bit like, hey, hey, like that. So now you try it with me, right? Hand out, shake it a little bit. Hey, hey. I'm sure we've all used it for one thing or another. I don't know how you're going to feel when your kids start going, hey. But it's up to you if you want to use this sign with them. Number 20 is want. Important one, want. That's both palms outward with a palm facing up. And you're grabbing the air and bringing it to yourself like this. Want. Want. You try it. Both palms out together with the palms upward. Grabbing the air and bringing it to yourself. Want. Want. Right? Pretty simple stuff. Letting your little one know when they want a snack or if they need something. Number 21 is stop. You're laying your palm out and you're giving us a big chop on the other hand, right? So you try it with me. Palm out, chop on the hand. Stop. Stop. Right? Try it with me one more time. Stop. Okay. Number 22. My or mine. This shows possession. And you stretch your palm across the chest. Mine, my. You try it with me. Palm across the chest. My or mine. Probably hear that a little too much. But it's good for them to understand possession of the things that they owned and to be able to communicate that, right? So my or mine. Number 23 is an important one also. Mommy and daddy. I'm going to show you both signs so you get a 2-for-1, right? Palm up like this and put it on your forehead. That's daddy, right? Try it with me. Palm up and on the forehead. That's daddy. Palm down to the chin is mommy. Try it with me. Mommy. So we have daddy and we have mommy. Right? Pretty easy. And number 24 is sorry. Right? And that's you take the palm and put it across your chest and make a circle. Sorry. You try it with me. Palm across the chest into the circle. Sorry. And they better look like it, right? Tell them they better put the sad face on. Sorry, mommy. So you know they really mean it, right? So that's the 24 signs that I have for you guys. I hope that they were helpful. And if you want more, like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.